What is an installment agreement for tax repayment? Attorney Jackson Turner VAUGHT says, the installment agreement is basically a contract between the taxpayer and the Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS. It would basically state that the taxpayer agreed to pay the IRS a certain sum of money each month, and the IRS agreed to not do anything else to the person. In other words, the IRS would voluntarily cease any collection action they had going after the taxpayer. This is really designed to give everybody involved, from the taxpayer to the IRS, some peace of mind, because the IRS would know that the taxpayer would send the money every month, and the taxpayer would know that the IRS would leave them alone and accept their money. There are basically different levels for someone to be able to qualify, and it would depend on how much the person owed. Anyone who owed less than $10,000 would be guaranteed an agreement. The caveat is that the person would have to have filed all their returns, because they would not be able to get an agreement unless they were in filing compliance, or they had filed all their tax returns for a certain period of time. Someone who owed more than $10,000 would not be guaranteed an agreement, although the IRS would work with them to come up with a payment they could afford. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Jackson Turner VAUGHT in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, at 843-628-7917, or visit his website at www.turnervaughtlaw.com.